Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je suis Séverine, votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French. Avec moi, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. I'm here for you to teach you French before you go to France. Today, how to speak like French with these 10 expressions. I'm going to teach you 10 expressions that I used in everyday conversations. They are not slang, but mostly familiar and casual French. So when you go to France, you can use them, or if you hear them, then you understand what people are telling you. Again, you can subscribe to our podcast. If it's your first time here, you can find the transcript on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. I also have a Facebook page with more content if you look for inspirations for your travel to France. All the episodes have different themes. You can go back to the history of all the episodes that I have published so you can find what you need. I try as much as I can to either answer questions that I had during my classes or to give you what we call actionable French, communication-oriented French. So right away, when you get to France, you can express yourself and understand what people tell you. All right. Are you ready to speak French? I'll be right back after this short break. With ouais. Ouais. Ouais, ça veut dire oui. Ouais means yes. It's the same as saying yeah in English. Ouais. So when people speak, instead of saying oui, they say ouais. Number 2, carrément. Carrément. Carrément, ça veut dire absolument bien sûr. Carrément means absolutely or of course. Carrément. Let's try. Vous voulez visiter le vignoble? Ouais, carrément. Do you want to visit the vineyard? Yeah, absolutely. Ouais, carrément. Number 3. Ça te dit ou ça vous dit. Alors, what does that mean? It means that if you're going to know someone, you say ça te dit, or if you're going to say you all, if you're talking about to one more person, it means how about. Ça te dit ou ça vous dit, how about. Ça te dit d'aller faire une randonnée? Ça vous dit d'aller faire une randonnée? Means how about going for a hike? Ça te dit, ça vous dit. Now, maybe you know also how to say I don't know in French. You can say je ne sais pas, but then you sound out of your school. French, we ever say je sais pas. You want to slur a little bit. Je sais pas. Je sais pas. So it's the same like don't know. Je sais pas. Let's try. Ça te dit de visiter le musée? Ah, je sais pas. How about going visiting the museum? Ah, don't know. Je sais pas. Number 5. Abuser ou c'est abuser. Alors, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does that mean? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does that mean? Abuser, c'est abuser. It's to express a negative feeling such as this is insane or this is too much. Number 6. Use on instead of nous. Alors, this is more for people who are more advanced. If you already speak a little French, maybe you used to say nous for oui. In French, when French speak, they don't use nous for oui. They don't use nous for oui, they use on. Let's say that you want to say, we're going to go. You might want to say, nous allons partir. But French are going to say, on va partir. Let's say that you want to take the train. Maybe you say, nous prenons le train. French est, on prend le train. Let's say that you want to say, we'd like. We're not going to say, nous voudrions. You're going to say, on voudrait. All right, now there's one that you heard, and it's the famous oh là là ou hola. Alors, oh là là ou hola doesn't mean anything risky or frisky out there. It means, oh my goodness. So use it when you express surprise. Oh là là ou hola. Number 8, génial. Génial. Alors, génial means awesome. C'est génial. Génial. Awesome. Number 9, DAC. DAC stands short for okay. DAC. You can say, instead of saying okay, you can just say DAC. And last, number 10, ASKIP. ASKIP. Alors, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire ASKIP? What does that mean, ASKIP? ASKIP means so they say, allegedly, rumor has it. Such as, ça vous dit d'aller au concert d'Adé? How about going to Adé's concert? Adé is a French pop singer. DAC, ASKIP, c'est génial. Right? That's the way people speak. Of course, ASKIP is mostly used by people 30 and under, right? I mean, I don't know how old you are, but if you're going to hang out with a crowd that's a little older, they might not know ASKIP. Now, I know it because I have younger daughters, but ASKIP is used a lot, okay? Génial, DAC, all of these people understand ASKIP. So it's a short for à ce qu'il paraît, which translates as so it seems. All right, so let's go back together. Ouais, carrément, ça te dit, ça vous dit, je sais pas, abusé ou c'est abusé, on instead of nous as a subject pronoun, oh là là ou oh là, génial, DAC, ASKIP. Super, voilà, c'est la fin de notre épisode pour aujourd'hui. Here you go, that's the end of our episode for today. Thank you for being a good listener. Again, feel free to leave stars. You can give stars in the app if you're listening on Spotify. Apple Podcast is a bit more complicated. I don't know what platform you're listening, but thank you again. I hope all of my episodes are helping you to learn French. Again, learning a language, it is hard. It is a major commitment. Go ahead, speak French as much as you can. Listen to our podcast, and grab a grammar book to help you build your skeleton. Grammar is very important, but grammar, I don't mean complicated grammar. I just mean how to use the verbs, how to use the subjects, understand, the basic of the language that will help you a lot. Also, don't forget every day to take 2 to 5 minutes to train your brain to speak French. I know I sound like a broken record. I say that at the end of every episode. But if you make it to the end, that means that you're very committed. So wherever you are in the world, I want to thank you and praise you for being such a great student. Merci, au revoir, À bientôt.